So hey guys, Luna is currently up by about 61%, guys. It was up more than this. It went to up to about 102%, guys. Just in one day, guys. In one day, it went up to 102%. So there are loads of other tokens and projects that are currently doing well for 24-hour day feedback. But you want to see the price chart from 7 days and from one day chart, guys. So what we've come to understand is that for Luna, it's been rigmaroling around a certain price range. So it's been moving about this 0.001 to about 0.002. So that's the price it has been moving. So you can see how it's skyrocketed within a day, guys, within a day. So one thing you need to take note of, you want to be at alert, guys. You want to be at alert. So this is the reason why it's currently moving, or the price is currently moving. So live on crypto Twitter. So if you're not aware of why the sudden pump in price, you want to be aware that Duquan just released a bond address where Luna tokens can be bond. So this is the Luna address. It dropped. It was requested by one of the Luna Army or Luna members, Lunatics. So this is it. So users have been sending out their own tokens to this bond address just to ease the process or to hasten it up, so Luna could eventually appreciate in value. Luna can eventually appreciate in value. So this is some basic tip you want to know about. So you want to be aware of currently. You can see it's currently trending. Then all you need to do is to go over to Twitter, search up on Luna with the hashtag Luna, or so you'll be able to see lots of tweets and lots of updates. So you want to be alert, or you want to turn on notifications on Twitter, guys, so you don't miss out on opportunities. On Binance here, you'll be seeing 24-hour volume and 24-hour lows. You can see how the price has been moving, guys. Then you also want to take note of the chart to understand how the chart has been moving. So even if you're a novice, you can still be able to push through with this and make some profit. I think when the initial vibe came up, the hype came up from Watcher Guru. Watcher Guru is on Twitter. So is on Twitter, so you can follow them on Twitter. They do drop updates on Luna as well as other tokens. So when the hype came up, it was at 50%. So we got in at 50%, but eventually we were unable to take profit, which is very bad. So you want to make sure you take profit, because we felt the price might go up a little bit further. So we ended up selling because it started coming downwards back again. So that's something you need to take note of. When the price starts pushing up, loads of users might decide to sell off their tokens, the ones they bought. So you want to be aware of this and be smart enough to also sell yours if possible, so you can make profit, guys. You don't want to be the last one holding this token, because on Binance it sells the there's risk and warning that comes along with Luna. It's different from other tokens. It says the price volatility. The token has loads of volatility. So if you take note, you'll see that most exchanges are not listing Luna on their futures exchange. Especially like Binance, you won't find Luna on the futures exchange, because most people would potentially just short the markets, go in the short the market, and it's too plain, or it's too open, guys. So you want to be on Twitter to be aware of this. Then also, so you want to take advantage of the news that's going to be coming up about Luna. So any news that pumps up that will be in favor of Luna, which definitely shoot up the price. Currently, why the price has not gone further than this is because this is being done by the community, and there's currently a feud in the community now that most people feel that the tokens might not be in a safe wallet. So guys, one strategy you also want to use is Binance strategy trading. You can also access the one for KuCoin, guys, trading bots. So this gives you the opportunity to crypto arbitrage without needing or using without having to click stay on your screen as much as possible. So it creates a automatic buys and sells for you within a certain price range. So you can see the parameters. So it's going to create loads of buys and sells within this price range of 0.0015 to about 0.0022. So this is being done looking at the price history of the token. So looking at how the price has been fluctuating within this certain price range, it's going to create it for you. So all you need to do, set your trading bot, and you'll be able to benefit from the price differences. So this is one strategy I recommend, while also you can just come up and switch it off if you feel that the bot is not making you money. So that is one technique you can use to make money from Luna, guys. You can also apply it to whichever tokens as possible, but currently Luna is currently one of the most volatile assets we have in the crypto industry as of recording now. So guys, that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's your boy Akahilz. Any questions, let us know in the comment section, and drop your feedbacks too or your opinions. Peace.